Hello everyone and welcome. Now that we've explored what AI fluency means and the different ways people interact with AI, let's look at the core competencies that help us collaborate with AI effectively, efficiently, ethically, and safely. Whether you're using AI for automation, augmentation, or agency, success depends on developing four essential competencies. These competencies are known as the 4Ds of AI fluency: delegation, description, discernment, diligence. Together, these form the foundation of effective human-AI collaboration. 1. Delegation. The first competency is delegation. Delegation focuses on the bigger picture. Before using AI, we should ask ourselves, what am I trying to achieve? What work needs to be completed? What should I do myself? What tasks can AI help with? For example, imagine you're working on a research project. You might ask AI to review lengthy documents, summarize information, organize research findings. However, you may choose to keep responsibilities such as critical thinking, final analysis, decision-making, drawing conclusions for yourself. Effective delegation requires three things: understand the goal, clearly identify the problem you're trying to solve, know AI's strengths and limitations, recognize what AI does well and where human expertise is still necessary. Divide the work intentionally. Assign tasks strategically instead of simply offloading everything to AI. Delegation is not about replacing human effort. It's about creating the best partnership between human intelligence and artificial intelligence. 2. Description. The second competency is description. Description is all about communication. The quality of AI's output is often directly influenced by the quality of the instructions we provide. Consider the difference between saying, create a logo, and saying, create a modern logo for a technology company targeting young professionals. Use blue and white colors, emphasize innovation and trust, and follow a minimalist design style. The second description provides much more context and direction. The same principle applies across all AI interactions. For example, if you're using AI as a tutor, instead of saying, give me the answer, you might say, help me solve this problem step by step, so I can understand the concept. This creates a better learning experience. Effective description includes clear goals, relevant context, desired output format, tone and style preferences, specific instructions. Description goes beyond writing prompts. It's about creating meaningful conversations that help AI understand what you're trying to accomplish. 3. Discernment. The third competency is discernment. Discernment means evaluating and judging the quality of AI outputs. AI can generate useful content, but that doesn't mean every response should be accepted without review. For example, imagine AI suggests a marketing strategy. Before using it, you should ask, are the facts accurate? Does the reasoning make sense? Does it align with organizational goals? Is it suitable for the intended audience? Will it actually help solve the problem? Discernment requires critical thinking. It combines human expertise, judgment, domain knowledge, experience, to determine whether AI-generated content is useful, accurate, and appropriate. AI collaboration is a continuous loop. Most interactions with AI follow a simple cycle. Describe what you need, evaluate the response, refine the request, review the new output. This ongoing cycle of description and discernment helps improve results over time. The more thoughtfully you evaluate AI outputs, the better the collaboration becomes. 4. Diligence. The fourth and final competency is diligence. Diligence focuses on responsibility and ethical AI use. As AI becomes more involved in important decisions, users must ensure that AI-assisted work remains fair, transparent, secure, accountable. For example, if AI is used to write job descriptions, screen applications, recommend business decisions, analyze customer information, we must ask important questions. Are biases being introduced? Is the information accurate? Is sensitive data protected? Am I being transparent about AI involvement? Am I willing to take responsibility for the final outcome? Taking ownership. One of the most important principles of diligence is ownership. Even when AI contributes to the work, humans remain responsible for the final result. AI can assist. AI can recommend. AI can generate. But accountability remains with the person making the decision. Diligence ensures that AI is used safely and ethically. Why the 4Ds matter? One of the greatest strengths of the AI Fluency framework is that it is not tied to any specific AI tool or platform. Many AI tools will evolve. Some will disappear. New capabilities will emerge. However, the 4Ds remain relevant regardless of the technology being used. These competencies provide a foundation that helps individuals adapt as AI continues to change. Summary. Let's recap the 4Ds of AI Fluency. Delegation. Deciding what work should be performed by humans and what can be supported by AI. Description. Communicating clearly and effectively with AI systems. Discernment. Evaluating AI outputs critically and thoughtfully. Diligence. Using AI responsibly, ethically, and with accountability. Together, these competencies help us interact with AI in ways that are effective, efficient, ethical, safe. By mastering the 4Ds, you'll be better prepared to collaborate with AI confidently and successfully, regardless of how the technology evolves in the future. Thank you, and let's continue exploring the AI Fluency framework in the next lesson.